G, H, and Q sitting together like this. According to what they're saying, as long as the person has same neighbors. So if I flip this instead of clockwise to anti-clockwise, suppose I have A and this side that's D, there is Z, and then F and G and H and Q. So now A has the same neighbors D and Q. So here also Q and D. H has the same neighbors Q and G, Q and G. Similarly, F has G and Z and F has G and Z. So what has happened here is this is clockwise and this is anti-clockwise, and they both are supposed to be considered the same.
Board is not visible, sir.
Hello.
Sir, board is not visible.
I have not shared it. Okay, so am I audible clearly to all of you?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So good evening to all of you.
Good evening, sir.
So that So this is basically open session for week 7. First of all, can you tell me how many of you have covered the syllabus of week 7? I mean,
Yes, sir. Covered.
have you watched all the lecture video of week 7?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. So today we will, basically this is open session. So we will discuss, who has doubt related to activity practice and all things or any concepts of week 7. So you can raise your hand and we can discuss. Uh, First thing or second thing we can do, like we can go each activity. So let me share my screen. I think that would be better. Yeah, 1 second. Meanwhile, is there any concept in which you are facing any problem?
Sir, I have doubt in general, not in subject. Can we ask? Yes.
General means
Can I ask?
no. General is what? I mean, is there any technical doubt or whatever?
I in that is graded assignment question.
Week 6.
Not week 6. I did not write 2 weeks graded assignment. There is any problem?
Okay, so for those, problem is, it can be like, have you gone through the first of all, can you tell how have you gone through the grading pattern? There is, everything is mentioned, how many graded assignment is required to be appear in the quiz 2 or end term exam.
Yes.
So just go through the grading pattern. Okay, I don't think only 2 you have missed, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I don't think. I think total is something. You can go through here. Just go in the course introduction. There is some, general instruction and important links. From here, you can. If you click here, you will get grading pattern. Okay.
Okay.
So just click on the and go through. There is. Every criteria has been mentioned already. So yeah. So any doubt in lecture 7.1 or in activity 7.1?
No, sir.
Okay, so tell me what should be the answer of this first one? The set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is
Sample space.
correct. Okay, sample space is what? Is nothing but the uh, you are doing suppose a random experiment and all the possible collection of all the possible outcomes of that random experiment is known as the sample space. Correct? And what is the random experiment?
All
Random experiment means we know about what will be the outcomes, but we are
Yeah.
experimenting this.
Yes, we don't know exact. We know,
Yeah,
suppose you toss a
exactly.
coin.
We don't know, but
Yeah.
we can predict.
Yeah, not predict, but you can say, like, suppose you toss a coin, then you know any outcome will be head or tail, but you don't know whether head will become or tail.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In that case, we know the sample space actually. I mean, the outcomes, possible outcomes
Yes, yes,
we know, but exact outcome, what would be the outcome after experimenting the experiment? So we that we don't know.
Yeah. So what will be the correct option for the second?
Tossing 2 coin, rolling a dice.
Okay.
Sir, all
Sir,
will be correct.
according to me, all of them, sir.
Okay, all of the correct option. Okay, we'll check the answer. What is the cardinality of the sample space of rolling a pair of dice?
6 into 6.
36.
6
36.
into 6, 36. Yeah.
Okay. What should be the correct answer for the fourth? Suppose we record the
Sir,
total
we
number
have.
of coin tosses in tossing a coin until we see 2 consecutive tails, right?
Yes, sir.
So what will be
No,
the
means we
sample
have
space?
to. We have to at least toss 2 coins to get consecutive tails. Then it
Correct,
will be second
correct.
option.
That would be 2, 3, 4, I guess.
Correct, because we need until 2 consecutive tails, right? So that means 2 until 2. Then it can be 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay. And what will be the correct option for the fifth one? It is asking about incorrect statement among the following.
Sir,
So
none
on
of
an
above.
Sir, all the statements are correct, sir. So none of the above.
Okay, let me check the answer. So yeah, 5 by 5, that means all the things are correct one. So is there any problem in activity 7.1? Anybody?
No.
Okay. So any concept related doubt in lecture 7.2 or in activity 7.2? In any question you are facing any problem? Like, so can you tell me what will be the answer of first one?
Actually, 4.
4?
Yeah, because there are 3 even numbers.
Okay.
4, 6.
They are.
Yeah. Okay. So what is the
And that
thing?
is-
A fair dice is rolled. Okay. That means we have 6 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct?
Sir.
A
Yes,
is
sir.
the event. Outcome is an even number. So A is the event. What is this? Outcome is the even number.
Yes.
That means
That
what
will be
it
2, 4, 6.
can
2,
be
4,
2,
6.
4, 6. Correct?
Yes.
And
Yes,
what
sir.
is the next? B is the
Divisible by 3.
event that is
Divisible by
divisible
3.
by 3. So B is the event who is that is divisible
By 3.
by 3. That means
3 and 6.
correct?
Yeah,
Yeah.
multiple
Yes,
of 3.
sir.
So it is asking about cardinality of A union B. So what will be A union B?
2, 3,
It will
4,
be
6.
2, 3, 4, 6.
2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. By Venn diagram, you know what is the A union B. Suppose this is my A, this is my B. Okay. Suppose this is A, this is B. So A union B, this whole things, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So A union B 2, 3, 4, 6. So cardinality of this is
4.
4.
1, 2, 3, and correct. I don't think this is any problem you are facing. In the second question, is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
It's a sample space given to you. It is asking about E, F, and G is given to S, and it is asking about choose the correct option. Okay. So E union F. So E is, you can see 1, 2, 5. F is 4, 6, 7. If you see E union F, so it should be 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. But in the first option,
4
you
is
can
not
see
there.
4 is not there. That means this is not the correct option. Now E intersection G. So E is 1, 2, 5. G is 1, 3, 8. So intersection means common element between two events, right? So common
Which is
element
only 1.
between E and
It's only
G
one,
is
sir.
1. So that means this is the correct one. Similarly, F union G complement. So first you have to find the F union G. So F union G is, it will be 4, 6, 7. I mean 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
F is 4, 6, 7, correct? And G is 1, 3, 8.
8, sir.
So it's the 1, 3, 8. So what will be F union G?
1, 3, 4,
3,
7,
4,
6,
6,
1, 3,
7,
4,
and
6,
8.
7, 8.
So what will be F union G complement? That means
No
Elements
union.
It will
not
be
in
2 and
F union G.
2 and 5.
okay, I can do like sample space minus F union
F
G,
union G.
F union
correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that means it will be 2 and
2 and 5.
because sample space is 1, 2 up to 8.
8.
Correct? It is no. Yeah. So next question is. Sorry, I think I have missed one option.
Yes, sir, the last
So, yeah.
option.
So similarly, we can do for the third option, right? F intersection G is nothing but 5.
Nothing.
Okay, and
5.
E union
F intersection G.
Sir, F intersection G is null set, sir.
Yeah, null set.
Null set, sir. F and G are two disjoint sets. I mean, they are.
There is nothing common in it.
Yeah,
Yeah, they are disjoint.
disjoint. Sir, you're not audible. Hello?
Even cursor is not moving. I think sir is
Sir's connection, I guess.
yeah, like that.
hello.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was there. Suppose there is event A and there is an event 5. So if you take union with null event, then it is
It
the
will be A.
it will be A, right? So here you can
Yes.
see F intersection G is 5, E union 5 will be 1 to 5. Okay,
1 to
that
5.
means this
Yes, sir.
option is correct. And do you know what is the meaning of disjoint event?
Disjoint means there is no common element in
No common event between two events.
event
I mean,
between
yes.
event.
these two.
And in mathematically, I can see I can say A intersection B is 5.
5.
Yes, sir.
That means there is no not an element which is common between these two, right?
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
next option is a dice rolled. We have to identify the disjoint event. Okay, a dice rolled event is that it lands on 5 and F is it lands on an even number. So whether it is disjoint or not,
It is just disjoint, sir.
Disjoint.
It's the
it
yeah.
is disjoint because landing on 5
Because 5
and
is
it is even
odd.
number. Both are different thing, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Next is a person is chosen. Event is that this person was born in India, and F is the event that this person is an Indian citizen. So it will be
No,
5
sir.
It
or
will be
not?
No,
same
sir.
event.
No, sir.
Same
Because
event,
there
sir.
is something common, right? We are saying
Yes,
he
sir.
is born in India, and again I'm saying he is Indian citizen.
Indian citizen.
Yeah.
So similarly, we can think about the third option and fourth option, right?
Yes, sir.
So what will be third option? Whether it will be disjoint or not?
Not disjoint.
Not
No
disjoint.
disjoint, sir.
Not disjoint.
Yeah. And a dice is rolled. So event is that it lands on an odd number, and F is the event that it lands on an even number. So it is disjoint
Disjoint,
or
sir.
not?
Joint. Yeah, it is
Disjoint,
Right.
sir.
Correct.
It will be
Because
disjoint.
you roll a die, that means either you can get odd number or even number, and both are different thing. Correct.
Different.
So come to the fourth. A fair die is thrown. A represents that all outcomes of getting a natural number less than 3. Less than 4. Right? So A is the all the natural number less than 4. That means A is
1 to 3.
1 to 3.
3.
Right? B
Yes, sir.
represents that all the outcomes of getting an even number. That means
2,
2,
4,
4,
6.
is
6.
what? Correct. 2, 4,
6.
6. Next is C represents all the outcomes of getting a number greater than 3. That means
4,
4,
5,
5,
6.
6.
4, 5, 6.
4,
6.
5,
Now,
6.
what is the next thing? Question is, we have to find the set represent events A and B, but not C. That means we need to find
A
A
intersection
and
B.
B
A
and
intersection
C.
B. C complement.
Yes, sir.
A and B and not C, right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
Yes, sir.
not C means what?
Complement of C.
C complement is what? 1, 2,
1,
3,
1, 2, 3.
correct?
Yeah.
Now, so what is the common between A and B and 1, 2, 3?
2.
Only
two.
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 Only
Two.
Two.
correct. So it will be
Two.
2. So 2. Okay. And last is event of A occurring and B not occurring for 2 events. So it can be represented at which option should be correct? A occurring
B.
and B not.
A
So
intersection B.
A intersection B complement.
Correct. So let's check the answers. Yeah. So we we solved the each and every question as a correct way.
Sir,
So is
just a
there any?
small thing, sir. Just a small thing. My approach for the third question was kind of different. I did A intersection B not in C. So that is also giving me the same answer. So that approach is right, sir, right?
A and B not C?
I mean, A intersection B minus C. So I didn't take the C complement. So that is also a correct.
Yeah, that is the same. This is C complement is what? Sample space minus
Not-
that
yeah,
thing.
yeah. So I actually went for this.
Yes, thing is same. No need to
Yes, sir.
worry.
I also did same.
Yeah, that's why I did C. I did for C. Then I did for C complement. Correct. I found
sir.
C complement will be 1, 2, 3. Then I need to find the intersection of these 3. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So any doubt in activity 7.3 or lecture 7.3?
Yes, sir. Second question.
Okay. So what do you can you tell me what was your approach? First of tell me what is the first what is the answer for the first question?
So it is 3 plus 10.
It is 3 plus 10 because question is king, queen and jack of clubs are removed from a deck of 52 playing cards. That means we have 49 cards, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And king, queen, jack of clubs. See, there are 4 suits: clubs, spades, diamonds and hearts. Correct? So we have
Yes, sir.
removed king, queen and jack from the club. Now, then deck is shuffled. E be the event of getting a queen. That means how many queen we have now?
3 queens, sir.
We have three
3 queen
queens.
because in total we have 4 queen. 1 queen of club has been removed. So we have 3 queen, right? So for E we have 3, correct? For F, event of getting a club. So how many cards
10
in
cards,
club we
sir.
have?
10.
10 cards because for each suits we have 13 cards and from the club we have removed already king, queen and jack, right? Then we have 10. That means cardinality of E union F will be 10 and 3. That means 30. Correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
someone has asked me doubt in question number second. Yeah, what is your doubt? I mean,
Sir,
which
I was
option
not
should be
getting the
correct
third and
according?
fourth. I was not
Sorry?
getting third and fourth option.
Yes, sir. For me as well, the fourth option actually. Only the fourth
Third and
option
fourth.
I have.
See, third and fourth. See, what is mutually exclusive? It's same as you can say it's another name for disjoint event, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Suppose you are walking, then either you can turn left or right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I mean these both things cannot happen simultaneously, right? There is no common.
Okay, sir. Okay. But
I mean,
sir, here
yeah,
it
you
comes or and here it is and.
see you can define A as turning right, correct?
Yes.
And I define as B turning to left side, right?
Yes, sir.
So I can say A and B, there is any common. So I can say A intersection B is 5,
Okay, sir.
correct?
Yes, sir.
And fourth is turning right and scratching your head while walking. It's also
Yes, sir.
possible. It can
It is also,
happen.
I think it is also mutually exclusive, sir.
No, it's not mutually exclusive.
So this is my
Because
doubt, sir, actually. I mean, I
because-
was thinking in a way such as like,
Mhm.
imagine I'm walking or anyone is walking and scratching his or her head. And
Mhm.
suddenly he or she takes a right and she's still scratching his or her head. So that was, I was thinking like, is it like before or like throughout the walking, he or she scratching his or her head? So that is my confusion actually.
No,
I
can you
mean,
repeat?
sir, so here it
Huh?
is turning right and scratching your head while walking. So it can be possible like I'm walking, scratching my head, and I'm taking a right and scratching my head still. So that is a possibility.
These
And
things can happen same time, right?
yeah. So that is my actual question. Like it is happening simultaneously, isn't it?
Yeah, in this scenario, you can say
Okay. So that okay. Got it, sir. Got it. That was my doubt. So
because
the
see,
event occurred. Okay.
like you see, turning left or right, you cannot do simultaneously.
No. We cannot do that.
There is no something which is common, right? But
Yeah.
Sir.
turning right and scratching your head, you can do at the same time,
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Got
right?
it, sir.
Suppose you
Got it.
toss
Yes,
a
sir.
coin. Suppose you toss a coin, then you cannot get head and tail at the same time,
No, we cannot.
right? So
Yeah.
Yes,
you
sir.
can relate from this, okay?
Okay, got it, sir.
Okay, sir. Got it.
So, and for the third question, which just try to see the region and tell me what is the correct option.
It's a E not F.
E not F.
E
Yes,
not
sir.
F. Third option, sir.
Okay. According to you, it's third option. Anybody else?
According to
Yes,
me,
sir.
third option.
Third option. Okay. And what about this? Is the very simple things.
Sir,
This is a
second,
This is
complement.
A, sir. This is A
second and third.
complement
Yeah,
and
second and third.
Second
sample
option
not in
also
A.
is
Yes,
coming,
sir.
sir.
Second.
Okay. Let me see the answer. So we got two wrong answer. Okay. Even we did not select the options. I mean, we did not enter the answer. Okay. So any doubt in this? I mean, hope it was clear to everyone.
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. Just see, I'm going to, in a sequence so that if you have any doubt anywhere, so you can ask. Any doubt in this lecture 7.4 or actually 7.4?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So come to this third question. A customer will purchase a shirt with probability 0.4, right? Customer with will purchase. So to this for this question, which method we can apply?
Sir, the summation of probability is one. First, that one, because we are gonna need that. And second is the A union B thing, where the probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B.
Addition rule. Yeah.
That one.
Addition rule. Okay. So see, thing is that we have to also find neither a shirt or nor a pant. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right?
So we,
So
we
what is
can
the
just
meaning of this?
But, customer doesn't buy anything.
did not buy anything. Yeah.
Okay, in mathematical notation, what it will be?
So the complement.
Okay, we can do probability of A union B whole complement, right?
Yeah.
Or we can also say probability of A complement intersection B complement.
Yes, sir. We can do that as well.
Give me 1 minute. Yeah. So question is, so here we have two. It's visible to all of you. I mean, it's
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Yes, sir. It is visible.
question is he will purchase a shirt with probability 0.4. Okay, so purchasing a shirt I'm taking as 0.4. I'm S means purchasing a shirt. Okay, and customer will purchase a pant with probability 0.3, right? So probability of purchasing a pant with probability 0.3, correct? Next one is will purchase both shirt and pant with probability 0.2, right? So what is the meaning of both? That means pant and shirt with probability 0.2, correct? Next question is, what is the probability that customer will purchase neither a shirt nor a pant? That means customer will purchase neither a shirt and nor a pant, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same things, that there is law, I'm forgetting that name. From there, I can say this whole complement as well. Do you
Yes,
know,
sir.
or should I draw
Yeah.
Venn diagram?
Yes, sir. Inside.
Suppose this is my P, correct? And this is my S. right? So what will be the P union S? This whole things.
Yes, sir.
And what will the P union S complement? This white region. I mean this.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
P
Got
union
it.
S complement, right? And now come to this point. Suppose this is my P and this is S. So what is the P complement? Suppose this is P, this is S. So P complement will be this whole region
Yes, sir. Yeah.
except P,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And what will be the S complement? S complement means except S, this whole region.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And what is the common between these two? You can see this red region, I can say common between these two, right?
Yes, sir.
So I can say this things is same as these things.
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yeah.
clear for everyone? I mean
Yes,
this
sir.
Yes,
red
sir.
region and this red region, okay? This is same, okay?
Hmm.
So now we have to find this. So I can find as 1 minus probability of P union S. You know, probability
Yeah.
of A complement is nothing but 1 minus
1
probability
minus
of
P
A,
of A. Yeah.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
So I can apply the addition theorem, probability of P plus probability of S minus probability of P intersection S. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So just put your value, you will get the correct answer, right?
Yes, sir.
So any doubt in the next question? It is again, it's just you can say
So it's just a
complement of two
complement
things,
thing.
correct?
Yeah.
So yeah. Now come to the next activity. So is there any I mean doubt in lecture 7.5 or in activity?
No, sir.
Any question you are facing problem? Here I think for the first question, what is the question? Among 40 dieters following a similar routine, 26 lost weight, 8 gained weight, and 6 remained the same. If one of these dieters is randomly chosen, find the probability that he or she gained weight, right? So what will the probability?
8.
Only 8.
0.2.
It will be, see, anybody, what will be the answer?
0.2, sir.
0.2.
8/40.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, 0.2 is the correct answer. You know, I think you are familiar what is the probability. Favorable cases divided by total number of cases, right?
Yes, sir.
So total is 40 and gained weight is 8, right?
8.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So similarly, I think at the second question, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, what the thing is given to here? Neither a ring or nor a necklace. It's 57%. So that means probability of A union B complement is given as 57%. That means
Yes, sir.
0.57, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And similarly, wear a ring, it is given to us. Wear a necklace, given to us. If one of them is randomly chosen, what is the probability that she is wearing a necklace, ring and a necklace? That means we have to find probability of A and B, correct? So
Yes, sir.
we know the formula A union B is nothing but probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B, correct?
Yes, sir.
So we have given A union B complement. So we can find the A union B
So 1
from here.
minus 0.57.
1 minus 0.57.
This is this value, okay?
Yeah.
Yes,
And
sir.
I can put the value of probability of A, I mean ring, and probability for necklace, and then we can get the
We can
value of
find
this.
this.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a simple things. We have to just apply the formula. We have to write the event, and after the okay. So in the last activity, any doubt in the concept or in activity question? Everything is clear for everyone?
Question number 4.
Hello?
Yeah, it's question number 4.
Question number 4. What is the probability of drawing a king and an ace consecutively from a deck of 52 cards? Okay, anybody have solved it? I mean, I just want to know approach.
No, sir.
Okay, so there are out of these 52 cards, we have 4 suit, right? Club, spade, hearts, and diamonds, right? We know everything, right? And each suits have 13 cards,
Hmm.
correct?
Yeah.
It is right. Now, each suit has 13 cards. You know, every card has a king, a queen, a jack, and ace, and card number from 2 to 10. Same for this one, same for this one, same for this one. Correct?
Correct.
Now, question is drawing a king and ace. So, a king, in how many ways we can draw a king?
4.
4 by 52
52.
probability. And for ace,
4 by 52.
4 by 52.
so I think it's 1 by 13 into 1 by 13. So I think first option is correct.
1 by 169.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 1 by 169 is the correct option. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. Any doubt? No?
Hmm.
Okay, so everything is clear. I mean, any doubt in practice assignments and all things?
Yeah, practice assignment, I have one clarification, sir.
Week 7, huh?
7-1.
Okay, okay. Jolis is there in the session now? Jolis is not there. He has asked a question, the solve with us week 6. Sorry, I think yeah, week 6. Move to one. In week 5, we had to discuss. Yeah, okay. Practice assignment 7.1. Okay, in which question you had out?
Sir, question 2.
A letter is selected from the letters of phrase machine, right?
Sir, not that one, sir.
Okay, it's yeah, you know, after each refresh, you will get a different set of questions. So can you tell me statement of the question?
Yeah, 1 second, sir.
Yeah, just check that.
7.1.
Yes, yes.
I am getting again. This was different.
Yeah, this is the different set of question. Let me refresh. This any question from this set?
Yeah,
Okay, can you tell me the statement of the question?
No, 1 second, sir. Actually, there were what is that? 4 and 5. I would take it. That is actually the question is there are 5 questions, multi-select questions.
Okay.
Multi-select question, 5 questions are there. 5 questions. Each what do you call multi-choice questions. Each 4 choices are there in that. So he has to get 16 marks.
Okay, this one. In an exam, there are 10 multiple choice question.
Yeah, correct, sir.
Sorry,
In each
multiple select question. Yeah, more than one option could be correct. 4
Yes.
options are there, right?
Yes,
If
sir.
a
Yes, sir.
student chosen all the correct options, then he or she gets 4 marks for that question, correct? Else
Yes, sir.
he or she will not get any marks, that means 0. So what is the probability that he or she will score at least 16 marks? So for getting at least, he should correct at least 4 questions. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, and the student has to choose at least one option because this is MSQ. Okay. So,
So how I approached this,
mhm.
there are 4 options. One option has to be correct.
Okay.
So I chose the first option generally for just for one option should be correct. So there
Okay.
are 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the power of 3 options which are wrong.
No. See, thing is
Combination.
that
Permit.
no.
Yes, sir.
Thing is
Tell
that
me,
this
sir.
is MSQ question. Okay. This is multiple choice question. It can also possible one option can be correct, two option can be correct, then question will be correct. Suppose three option is correct, then question will be correct. It is also possible all the four options are correct, then question will be considered as a correct. Are you getting? It's a multiple select question. So there more than one option can be correct.
Okay, yes,
Are
sir.
you are you
Yeah,
getting my point?
correct.
So it's not a multiple select question, right? One option will be correct and remaining three will be incorrect. No. So we can do, I mean, we can proceed like one second. Yeah. Now, see, it is MSQ, right? Mean more than one option can be correct. And in the question, you can, if you see, it is clearly written, mentioned that the student has to choose at least one option for each question, right? At least one option. So can you tell me, suppose I want to choose and there are four options for a question, correct? Right?
Yes, sir.
So for no, suppose only one option can be choose in how many way? I
Four
have
ways,
four
sir.
options and I have to choose one option. Then in how many way I can choose?
4 ways, sir.
Four ways. That means I can say 4C one way,
4C1, yeah.
correct? And I can also choose the two options.
Yes, sir.
4C2.
4C2.
So it's a 4C2. It's a six way.
Yeah.
I mean,
Again,
you will solve
4C3.
again. It's a 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. So 4, 3, 2, it will be get cancelled 2, 2. So you will get 6. So I can choose also three options. In how many ways? 4C3.
4C3.
And it
That
will
is again 4
be
ways.
again 4 way. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And I can also choose all the options. In how
1
many way?
way.
4C4, 1
4
way.
is 1.
So what is the total number of way in which option can be selected? Addition of these whole things, right? So it's a 10,
15 ways.
14. Okay.
15.
So I have 15 ways in which I can select the options, right? Whether it is correct or not, I don't know, right? So there are 15 ways to select the options. So this is the total number of ways. So can you tell me what is the number of ways to choose the correct?
15 marks. 4 correct should be there.
No, I'm asking. I have 15 ways to select the options in which my question can be correct, all my question can be wrong. Okay. But in how many ways question will be correct?
One way.
Correct. So there is only one way in which my question is correct, right?
Correct.
That means there is 14 ways. I mean, there is 14 wrong ways. Are you getting my point here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There are 14 wrong ways in which students, he or she will not get any marks, right? Suppose a question was at least 16 marks, okay? And one question is about 4 marks. So for getting at least 16 marks, I need to correct at least 4 questions,
Yeah.
correct?
Yes,
The
sir.
same thing I can say, I have to, I mean, that means I have to do at least less than 4 wrong. I can say or not?
Sorry, sir, come again.
Yeah.
So
Last
less than
part.
Yeah,
6,
I'm
I
saying.
think there are 10 questions.
See, I'm saying for getting at least 16 marks, I need to correct at least 4 questions.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Same things. In another way, I can say I have to no make wrong question as wrong less than 4. Less than 4 question wrong.
So
Yeah,
less
true,
than
true, true.
6.
Yeah, true.
It is. I mean, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One
Yes, sir.
second. Suppose this is first question, second question, third question. Okay. So this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. Okay. It is also possible 0 number of correct questions. Suppose this is I'm mentioning as the number of correct questions. Okay. So for getting at least 16 marks, I have to make the questions correct at least 4. I mean, these all questions should be correct. Then only then I will get at least 16 marks. This point, till this point, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
That is from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, sir. Not 4.
Sorry.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4. Correct answers. 4 correct answers. You have
Sir,
4.
No. See. In the question, it is written that students get at least 16 marks, right?
yes, sir. But for each correct answer, he will get 4 marks. Then 16 marks will be when he corrects 4.
At least 4 questions, right?
Yeah.
See, suppose he correct 1 question, he will get 4 marks. He correct 2 questions, he will get 4 marks. 3, 4 marks, 4 questions, 4 marks. Then here he will get 16 marks. It is asking about at least 16. I mean, it can be 16 and more than 16, right?
Yes, sir.
He can also correct 5 questions, 6 questions, and so
Yeah,
on,
yeah.
right? Correct. So this is okay. 1 second. So same thing. Suppose each question is carry 4 marks, right? So he has to score at least 16 marks. So he needs to correct 4 or more than 4 questions, correct out of 10 questions. Till this point, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, same things I can say. He can select the wrong questions at 0 correct question, 1 correct question, 2 correct question, and 3 correct question. Total minus, I can say or not?
Yes, sir. As long as it is less than the 4 value, it is
Yes.
fine.
See, for getting at least 16 marks, okay, you will tell me at least 16 marks, I need to correct more than, I mean,
More
greater
than
or
or
equal
equal
to
to
4 questions, right? Greater or equal
Yes,
to
sir.
4 questions, correct? Now, same things I can say for this total number of ways minus wrong questions.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
less
sir.
than 4.
Total minus less than 4. I mean,
Less
that
than
is
4.
wrong. I mean, not wrong. You can say, I mean, we cannot say wrong. You can say less than 4. I mean, if it is less than 4, then he will not get 16 marks.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear or no? Till these things is clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is clear, sir.
Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So, how can I add in? One second. And I have to remove. Yeah. Let me erase the things. So it is clear for now.
Yeah, sir. Now it is clear.
Okay. So getting at least 16 marks, then he or she needs to correct at least 4 questions, right? I mean, for getting 16 marks. Okay. So I can also say total minus less than 4.
Yes, sir.
It's a simple things complement thing. Okay. One second.
Yes, sir. We can say.
Suppose my sample space is all questions, right? And A is the event which is greater or equal to 4. That means at least 4. You know the meaning of at least 4. That means it can be 4, 5, 6, and so on, right?
Sir,
Yes,
yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So suppose I'm can I say A complement which is S minus A, which is I can
Yes,
say
sir.
less than 4.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So come to the question. So question was, initially we had 15 ways, right? Total to choose an
ways.
option, out of which one way was the
One way is correct.
one way
Correct.
for the
One
correct
was
and
correct.
14 was the for wrong, right?
Wrong.
This
Yeah.
is for the correct, this is for the wrong. Till this point is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me the number of ways I can select 3 questions correct? See, I'm not interested here greater or equal to 4. I'm interested here less than 4. I mean 0 correct question, 1 correct question, 2 correct question, 3 correct question, right?
Yes, sir.
I can do the things or not? I can do, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me to getting the 3 correct question, what is the total number of ways? And you know there are 10 questions and we want to 3 correct question.
3.
No,
10 into 10 into 10.
it will be 10 C3.
10 C3 into 3
See,
C1, I
out of
guess.
out of those 10 questions, any of the 3 questions can be correct, right?
Yes, sir.
It will be 10 C3 and for the
3 C1, I guess.
So no, not 3C1. Suppose it's a correct one. Okay. So for the correct question, I can do 1 into 1 into 1 because there is only
Sure.
one way for the correct question, right?
Oh, okay.
And for the wrong question, what is this? I can do 14 into 14 into up to 14. It will be 7 times.
14 to the power 7. Yeah.
That means I can write 10C3 into 1 raised power 3 into 40 raised power 7 because this is for the correct and this is for the wrong. This thing is clear or not? Total number of ways for correcting the 3 questions.
Okay. Got it, sir. Got it.
It is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
We have done for 3 and for 2 I can
So
say
it would
10
10
C2
C2 into
suppose
1
you have
into
10
1.
question. Yeah, you have 10 questions. So any combination of 2 questions can be correct. We don't know what are those, but we can say 10 C2, right? And I can say for 1 raised square and
1 raised to 2 of 4
4
and 14 raised to 8.
because 2 are correct, that means 8 are incorrect, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So what will be for 1? It will be 10 C1
1
1
raised to
for
1
1 and
10
40
to,
raised for
14 raised to
9.
9.
It is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now for 0 question correct, I can say 10 C0
Yeah.
and 1 raised power 0 and 40 raised power
14 raised to
10.
10.
That means see, simple things you can say there is no correct question. That means you can directly say 40 raised power 10. 10 C0 you will get 1, 1 raised power 0 you will get 1. Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir. It is.
Yes, sir.
It is clear now? Now.
Yes, sir.
So that means what? I have to do total minus
Less than
no,
4.
there is a mistake. Okay. Suppose A is less than 4. For getting A complement, that means greater or equal to 4. So I can do S minus A. It is clear or not?
Hey. Yeah. You're just changing the event,
Yeah,
right?
I had just changed because see, I'm interested here greater or equal to 4 questions, right? I mean, initially thing was correct, but thing is that by mistakenly defined the wrong event. So suppose my A is less than 4 questions, correct? And A complement will be greater or equal to 4. So how I can get more 4 or greater than 4? I can do total minus 0, 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
Is
We
it
can do
clear or
that.
not?
Yeah.
We can
Yes,
do.
sir. Yes, sir.
Then we will get these things.
Yes, sir.
See, what is the thing? Suppose my A is these things. Suppose I'm saying my A is 0 question, 1 correct question, 2 correct question, 3 correct question, right? And S is total 10 correct question. So what will be the this complement?
Sir, the rest of the part, sir.
Rest of the part, that means S minus these things.
Yeah. This thing.
Then I will get the this quantity. That
Yes,
means
sir.
more than 4, 5, 6. More than 4. Greater
Yeah.
or greater or equal to 4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
This thing is clear for everyone or is there any difficulty?
Up to
Not
that,
so
okay.
Oh, sorry.
clear, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
One second, let me erase the things. So can you tell me what will be the now correct answer? What will be the final approach?
You have to add all these things and subtract from this.
And we have to subtract. From where we have to subtract?
From total number of possible selections, that is
So
14.
total number of
15
possible
into 15.
selection is what?
15
15
into
plus
10
10.
times 15 power 10.
15 power 10, not
10.
C10. Because
15.
see, 15 ways was for selecting the options for one question, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
total
sir.
number of ways for 10 questions, it will be 15 into
15
15
into
into
15.
up to, I mean,
Yeah.
up to 10
Up to,
times,
up to 10 times. Up to 10 times.
right? So we have
Yeah.
to do, so this is my total number of cases, right? So what will the probability? In the denominator, it will be total number of cases. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And what will the favorable cases? Total sample space minus these things. I'm mentioning as A, B, C, and D. That means total minus A plus B plus C plus D. So this is the my probability. Is it clear? I mean, you have to calculate this value and this value and this value, this value. You will get the answer. Is it clear now? Naresh,
Yes,
I
sir.
think Naresh has
Yes,
asked
sir.
this
Yes,
question.
sir. Thank you very much, sir.
So
Sir,
it's
one
clear?
more. Yeah. I think then the similar only the same 7.2 question 5.
7.2.
Yes, sir. But I also have refreshed it, so I'm not getting my question
No,
itself
no,
now
no.
not available.
Practice assignment 7.2, right?
Yes, sir.
No, so in practice assignment 7.2 questions are fixed. No need to worry about. So which question?
One second, sir. What is the what is the probability that one participant, that is 0.7 marathon? Yes, sir. Probability that one. No, I got it, sir. Later on, once I got the check answer, then at that time I got it.
Okay, okay.
Before that only I was not able, but after that, once check answer, then I understood how it is happening. Sorry, thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. So Arya Sinha has raised hand. Yes, Arya. No.
Question number 4 of 7.1 assignment.
Your voice is very less.
Question number 4 of 7.1 assignment.
7.1. Okay. So I think question may be different. Is this because after each refresh you will get different set of question. So can you tell me the statement of the question or any question? Hello, Arya. Yeah, is there any question? I mean, can you tell me the statement of the question because sorry?
First question is the set of all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called.
Your voice is something. Is anyone is able to?
Sir, her voice is breaking as well.
Yeah, I think that seems for me as well. Arya, can you repeat? Yeah.
Suppose we record the total number of points tosses in tossing a coin until we see two consecutive tails.
We see two consecutive tails. Okay, let me refresh. Let me refresh the question. Can you paste it on, I mean, copy and paste it on chat? Arya? This question is,
It is question number 4.
this question, 2 dice are rolled to the sum
It is
from,
related to coin.
No.
oh, sorry, it's a dice. Yeah. Sorry, to coin. Let me rephrase. Can you paste it on chat so that your voice is not clear also, so that's why. Okay, Arya, are you posting on the chat? Okay, meanwhile, Arya, just paste on the chat, okay? We'll see and tell you. Okay, meanwhile, anybody else? Anything? Any one of you have doubt? First of all, how many of you have solved all the questions of practice assignment? Meanwhile,
Didn't touch the practice assignment yet, sir.
So I have
okay,
not touched.
I tried, sir.
okay,
Just
because
started
the-
just
there
started
is
practice
something.
assignment.
Oh, there is something Diwali happening as well. So,
So moreover, sir, the deadlines were shifted. So the previous weeks and all
yeah, yeah,
because of that. So that's why.
yeah, deadline is shifted. For this, it's also on, I think, Friday.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
not wrong.
From
28.
is
28.
like
Yeah,
the
28
week
is
8.
Friday.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
week 8 is back to Wednesday again.
Yeah, it's the week. It's on same pace. Initially, we had like we released the content on Friday. I mean, and due date is on Wednesday. We have solved with us with on Tuesday. It's something previous strategy,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
due to some the Diwali and initially due to Dasara and all things were shifted. Okay, Arya, just paste on the things. Okay.
One more thing, sir.
Yes, yes.
Actually, permutations and combinations,
Mm-hmm.
number of permutations of n objects when p of them are one kind and rest are disjoint, one formula has been given, sir. Like n factorial
Yes,
by
yes.
p factorial.
Yes, yes.
Similarly, such thing is available for combination also, sir.
But in this course, it's not there. It's only about permutation. I mean,
For
in this,
example, say
yeah.
I have 10, 100 balls in a pot, numbered as 1, 2, and 3. That's all. And 1 is numbered 10 times, 2 is numbered 8 times, and 3 is numbered 14 times. And the rest are not numbered. So how I can now do like how many? What is the probability that I will not get a numbered ball?
What is the probability you will not get a numbered ball?
Yes, sir.
One second. Let me.
Select
In
3
that case,
balls.
I think order doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
3 balls, sir.
See, thing is that just you have to be clear whether order matters or not. First thing. See, if its order matters, then it will be permutation, right? And
Order
order
does not
doesn't.
matter, sir.
See, what do you understand by order doesn't not matter?
Places 1, 2, 3. The 3 things which I am selecting can be anything. Order does not matter.
It is according to Kisan. It is
Yes, so
decided
please
according to Kisan.
see,
Okay.
all the 3 are not numbered, sir. So anything, any position it can
Okay,
occupy.
Can you repeat your question?
So there are 100 balls.
100 balls, okay.
10 balls are numbered as 1.
10 balls are numbered as 1.
1.
Okay.
12 balls are numbered as 2.
Okay.
And 5 balls are numbered as 3.
5 balls are numbered as
3.
okay.
And the rest are not numbered.
Okay.
Out
So
of
you are
100,
saying so you are saying out of 100 balls, 10 balls are numbered as 1, 12 balls are numbered as 2, and 5 balls are numbered as 3. Rest of the are not numbered, right?
Yes,
Suppose
sir.
it's it will be 22 and 5. Suppose 20
27.
till 27 balls are numbered, and from 28 onwards up to 100 it's not numbered. Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir. You are drawing 3 balls consecutively without repetition, without putting
Repetition.
back.
Okay. Without repetition, it's there. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Without repetition, 3 balls are being picked up.
Okay. 3 balls is
Yes,
picked up.
sir.
Okay.
So 1 or 2 questions, like one is, what is the probability that all the 3 balls are not numbered?
All are not numbered. Okay.
Second thing is, it is 2 numbered balls and 1 not numbered ball.
2 numbered balls and 1 not. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what is the total number of is in which you can choose 3 balls?
100 by 100 C3.
100 C3. This is total number of. Question is all are not numbered. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
we have 27 numbered ball, right? We don't know and what is the remaining ball? It will be
73. 73, sir.
73. So 73 balls are not numbered, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes,
so
sir. Yes,
all
sir.
are not numbered. So I have to choose balls without number. That means 73 C3 divided by 100 C3. Correct?
Oh.
Okay. And two numbered balls. So see here it is not mentioned which number 1, number 2, number 3. So I can choose any 2 balls from the 72, and see in total we are selecting 3 balls. That means remaining 73 we have to select 1 and divide by 100 C3. Correct?
Yeah, still thinking. Yeah. So 100 C3 is the total sample
total
space.
Total cases. Okay. So what is the favorable cases here? Favorable is cases is we need to find the all or not numbered, right? So how many numbered we have? 73 and 27 numbered and 73 is not numbered, right?
Yeah.
And we have to choose the 3 balls from not numbered. So it will be 73 C3 divided by 100 C3.
Okay, directly. Okay. For example, if you want to get only 1 numbered, all 3 1 numbered means it will be 10 C.
Yeah, then it's a 10 C3 and whatever. I mean, things is what is your objective?
Okay.
Because I'm interested in all the balls are numbered with 1, then I can say 10 C3 divided by 100 C3 because my favorable case is just 1. I'm interested in the choosing the balls which are numbered 1. So I can choose in 10 C3 ways and divide by total cases. It's clear?
Anyway, clear means I did not know the approach at all. So I am just taking whatever you have told, that is the approach.
Yeah, this is simple things.
Okay,
I mean,
okay.
Did you understand or not?
Yeah, I understood, sir. I understood. That's what.
Yeah. Suppose I'm saying all are numbered, then what will be the probability?
The 27 C3 divided by 100 C3.
100 C3.
Correct. And suppose I'm saying 2 are not numbered. Okay. 1 second. Not numbered and 1 is numbered. What will be the probability?
73 C2
into 27 C1 by 100 C3
divided by 100 C3.
Yeah, right. Because we are choosing in total 3 and we choose the 2 out of not number and 1. Okay. So you have to just apply.
Very
It's
good, sir.
clear?
Very good. Thank you.
Yeah. So anybody else? Anything?
Sir, I think Arya has put it in the chat, sir.
Okay. Let me see. Let me check. Arya. We record the total number of coins tosses in tossing a coin until see with 2 consecutive tails. Okay, I think Arya, you joined the session late, right? Hello, Arya.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have discussed in the activity question. I think
Yes, I have heard.
okay, no issues. We'll discuss where it was. I think it was in activity 7.1.
I think it is in 7.2.
Yeah, no, it's a 7.1. This one, right? Okay, so
Yeah,
those
yeah.
who are in the session, any one of you can explain to Arya. It will be, I mean, good. We will be happy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Here we want to. We will get if we will get 2 consecutive heads, then this will be only in our sample. Then in case that we have to get 2 consecutive tails, then we have to at least toss 2 times a coin. Then only we can get 2 consecutive tails. Then it will be 2, and if we toss it 3 times, let us say 1 time it is head and then tail, then it will 3, like that. Sample is created.
Okay, so are you did you get Arya? See, it is asking about 2 one second. It is asking about 2 consecutive tails, right? Suppose you toss a coin 1 times, then what will be the outcome, head or tail?
Yes.
Right? So here, did you get 2 consecutive tails?
No.
No, right? One second, let me erase the things. 1 minute, please. Yeah. So that means 1 is not there, right? Suppose I toss a coin 2 times, then my outcomes will be, it can be head, tail, head, head, or tail, right? So here I
Right.
got the 2 consecutive tail. Suppose I toss a coin 3 times, so it can be head, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, and similarly 8 outcomes will be there total. Okay. So in this case also I can get 2 consecutive tails, right? So similarly, see, here you can get. Similarly, you will, if you toss a coin 4 times and so on, you will get 2 consecutive tails. But in the case when you toss a coin only once, you will not get 2 consecutive tails, right? So that means correct answer will be 2, 3, 4, and so on. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So anybody, anything else? Any doubt in week 6?
Yes, sir.
Graded
Sir,
assignment?
week 6, there is a doubt in EMQ.
In EMQ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In part 1, any one of you have doubt? I will come to EMQ first.
Sir?
Yeah. Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes.
Sir,
Please.
I have a doubt in.
I have a doubt on concept circular permutation, sir.
Okay. What is your doubt? I mean,
The clockwise,
subject?
anti-clockwise direction. I can't able to understand that concept, sir.
Okay, so you are not able to understand the meaning of clockwise and anti-clockwise.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am has told that there is a formula for that n minus 1, that kind of thing. I can't able to understand that, sir.
So, okay, so any one of you wants to explain? So we will be, I mean, will be good. Any one of
Sir,
you.
I can explain, but it may not be that effective.
How did you know it will not be that effective?
Because sir, last time I explained, but I think I don't explain well.
No, it's not something that kind of things. Okay, so who has asked this question? I mean, so far, what did you understand? Or you did not understand at all the things? Hello? Am I audible, right?
Hello?
Sir.
Can
Yeah,
you hear me?
You're audible, sir.
yeah. One second. Let me raise the things first. So that.
The ma'am has told that the number of n distinct object is n minus 1 by 2.
No, it's something when your clockwise and anti-clockwise are same, right? Suppose,
yes,
okay.
sir.
Suppose I'm saying I have, can say like, what I can say. Suppose I have 4 different people, okay?
Okay, sir.
I'm saying A, B, C, and D, right? Then I want to, I mean, they want to sit on a circular table. Let's say this is A person, this B, C, this is D, right?
Okay, sir.
And now, next thing can be A, C. I mean, interchanging the places of, okay?
Okay, sir.
I can do this arrangement also.
Yes, sir.
For this person, next I can do A, I'm putting D here, I'm putting B here, I'm putting C here, right?
Yes, sir.
Next thing what I can do, let's say this is A, this is D, okay? This is B, this is C, correct?
Okay, sir.
For the next things, I can do A, I can B, it can be C, it can be D, right? And it's A, I can C, it can be D, and I can write it as B. Okay, these are the, okay. So clockwise and anti-clockwise are different ways. Suppose if you see clockwise, so here clockwise arrangement is A, then B, then C, then D. Clockwise means these things, these things, these things, and these things, right? So
Okay.
arrangement is A, B, C, and D, correct?
Okay.
If you go anti-clockwise, then you will get
A,
D, C, and B. So this arrangement is same as this one.
Yes, sir. Yes.
How?
No, different.
No, sir. No.
It's a different arrangement, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, if you see this arrangement, A, C, D, B, or A, B, D, C, it's a different thing.
Yes, sir. It's a difference.
So similarly for A, D, B, C and A, C, B, D, it's a different thing.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So it's 1 way, 2 way, 3 way. I have 4 way, 5 way, 6 way, right? So total I have 6 way for arranging the 4 people on a circular table, right? So
Yes,
here
sir.
my clockwise and anti-clockwise are different, right?
Yes, sir.
So I have total 6 ways. What is this? Nothing but 4 minus 1 factorial. That means 3 factorial ways.
Sir, ma'am has told that linear arrangement and circular arrangement like that.
This, okay. So can here this point is clear or not?
Yes, sir. I cleared, sir.
When your clockwise and anti-clockwise are different, so I took the example of 4 person, then I got the n minus 1 factorial ways. That means 3 factorial ways.
Okay, sir.
correct?
Correct.
When clockwise and anti-clockwise was different, right? When it's same, I mean, when clockwise and anti-clockwise same means what? Suppose if you say A, B, C, D, and here you can say A, B, C, D. So here if you go anti-clockwise, then you will again get different.
Yes,
I mean,
sir.
same.
Yes, sir.
See, this thing is same as this things. Are you getting? Suppose you will go clockwise A, B, C, D. You will go anti-clockwise here A,
No,
B,
sir.
C, D.
See, this is
See,
clockwise, that's anti-clockwise
no.
direction.
What I'm saying, see, now first point I have considered my clockwise and anti-clockwise are different, right? Now I'm going to consider the case when both are same. Suppose you will see this A, B, C, D. If you go anti-clockwise for this, so A, B, C, D, these two are same.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's same.
Similarly, A, C, D, B, A, C, D, B, these two are same.
Same, sir.
A, D, B, C, A, D, B, C, these two are same.
Same, sir.
So what is this? I can set 4 minus 1 factorial divided by 2.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Why? Because we are considering clockwise and anti-clockwise as same. When it's different, so to arranging the n objects on a circular path, when clockwise and anti-clockwise are different, then it will be n minus 1 factorial ways. Okay. And when clockwise and anti-clockwise are same, then it will be n minus 1 factorial by 2 ways.
I have example of this.
Okay,
Like
please tell me.
Putting beads in necklace.
Yes, beads in necklace. You will get
Yes, sir.
same things. Then anti-clockwise is clockwise same. In the case of beads. Okay. Yeah, someone has doubt in week 6 practice or sorry, graded assignment. I think
Yes, sir.
Pushanjali was there. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. So I
In
have a
which question?
doubt in question number 2.
Question number 2. In how many 5 digits can? This one?
Yes, sir.
How many 5 digit number can be formed from the numbers 0 to 5, 7 and 9 such that it is divisible by 4? This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you tell me what was your approach?
Sir, I can't solve this question.
Have you attended the Solve with Us of week 6? I mean,
No,
Ishan sir
no,
had
sir.
taken.
Sir, for personal problem, I can't attend the solving
Okay,
instructor.
that's right. Because there was a similar to there was a question similar to this. So let me erase the things. I will come to this. Okay, so can you tell me what is the criteria for a number which is divisible by 4?
Sir, in end it should be a 4.
Last
two digits.
And
The last two digits should be divisible
Could
by
be
4.
even number, sir.
Not exactly even. I mean, see, even number is what? Last digit, if it's even, then number is even, right? But there is a rule for a number. If it's divisible by 4, that means last 2 digit of that number should be divisible by 4.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the rule for divisibility for the divided by 4. Okay, one second, let me come to the question. Okay, so question is, I think, see, these numbers can be different for you. No, I think same. Yeah. So how many 5 digit numbers can be formed from the numbers 0, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9 without repetition such that it is divisible by 4? So divisible by 4, I have number 0, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9. So we have number 0, 2, 4, 5, 7, and 9. Okay. So I have to form the number without repetition. Okay. So for being divisible by 4, last 2 digit can be 0, 4.
24.
Right? 20 also.
So 2,
40,
4.
sir.
4. 40 can be there.
92, 72,
So
52.
4, 2.
Yes.
These are the possible pairs.
Last 2 digit of the numbers are either 0, 4, 20, 24, 40, 52, 72, and 92, then that number is divisible by 4 with the help of this digit. Now, condition is how many numbers we have to form? We have to form the 5-digit number. Okay, yeah. Come to the question. Now, we can consider the case as like I can consider that number is ending with 04, right? Let's consider this number. So I have to form the 5-digit number, right? And here 04 is fixed, right? Because I'm considering this case like last 2 digit is 04, then I have to form. So how many numbers we have remaining?
3.
0, 2, 5, 7, and 9.
Yes, sir.
Right? So this last 2 digit is fixed. Then in how many ways I can fill these 3 places?
3 into 2
For
into
the
what?
So
for the first,
so 4 into 3 into 2.
Oh, sorry, 4 into 3 into 2. Yeah, 4 into 3.
because we have 4 numbers remaining, right? It's a 4 into 3 into 2. That means you can say 4p3,
Yeah.
which is same as a 4p3. So it will be 24, right?
Yes, sir.
Now let's consider the case 2. Case 2 means number ends with, I'm saying, let's say 20. Okay. So number ends with 20 means what? These last 2 digits are fixed.
Hmm.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir, I'm getting it.
So what we can do here, it will be 20 is there. So I have these 4 numbers, right? 4,
Yes,
5,
sir.
7, 9 are remaining. So 4 into 3 into 2.
2.
Again, I got the 4p3,
4p3.
that is 24, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's say consider case 3. Case 3 means you
24.
can say 24, right?
Yes, sir.
So for the 24, can you tell me what will be the number of ways for the first place?
Sir, again, we
3,
left
sir.
with
3.
3,
Because we
not
cannot
4.
put 0.
0, correct. We cannot put 0 because if you will put 0, then it will be 4 digits, right? So that means we see
yes, sir.
24 is fixed. So I have 0, 5, 7, 9. So for the first place, I have 3, right? For the second place, how many numbers we have?
3, sir.
4.
Again 3?
3, sir.
Not 4.
Yes, sir, again 3.
You have
Yes, again
already
3.
used at one number,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So it will be 3. It will be
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
2, right? So that
2.
means I can say 3 into 3p2.
Yes, sir.
So it will be 3, 3, 9. Right?
18 ways.
It will be 18 ways, right?
18.
So
18.
similarly for case 4, case 4 we see for the remaining this will 24 ways will be same as for the when numbers will end with 40.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because if numbers is end with the 40, again you will get these numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
But when it's these numbers 24, 52, 72, 92, you will get 3 into 3p2 way. That means 18 ways. Are you getting?
Yes,
Because
sir.
in number which end with 52, then at the first place you can put only 3 numbers, then 3 numbers, then 2 numbers. Similarly for the 72, you can put only 3 numbers and 2 numbers. Similarly if numbers end with 92, it's 3 into 3 into 2. So total I have is 24 plus 24 plus I think
18.
4 times 18, right? It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's 3 times, sir. 3 times 24, sir.
Sir,
Yeah,
3
yeah,
times
sorry,
24.
yeah. Yeah, sorry. So yeah, because it's one
Sir,
times for 20.
yeah, that one.
Yeah. So it
First
will
two
be, I
cases.
think, 72 plus 18 4. So it will be something.
72, sir.
Yeah. So it will be 144.
44.
This is the correct answer? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
144 is the correct answer. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Anything else?
Sir, in question number 5.
Again, voice is breaking. Question number 5. This cloths one, right?
Yes, sir.
So Suman has 9 cloths of different types, C1, C2, C9. She wants to wear all these cloths at the different days, say D1, D2, D9. Due to some reason, C1 must be used either at D7 or D8. C2 can be used either at D8, D7 or D9. Okay, every cloth is to be used at only one day. Okay, in how many? Okay. 9 cloths is there. Okay, so 9 cloths is there, right? To C9, and there are 9 days. So question is, see, every cloth is used to be used at only one day, and the question is saying C1 must be used either D7 or D8. Okay, so how many ways we have to use C1? I can use either
day 8 or
day 7, right?
yes, sir.
So how many ways in how many ways I can use the cloth one?
Sir, in one way?
No, either you can use on the D7 or D8. Two way, right?
Yes, sir. Two way.
Best condition is C2 you can use either D8, D7 or D9, right? So it's a D7, D8 or D9. Be careful. Suppose C1 is used already at D7. That means again you have two ways for C2 to use.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So can you tell me for C3 in how many ways you can use? See, out of 9 days, 2 days you have already used a cloth, C1 and C2. So C3 you can, in how many ways you can use? I mean, how many options you have used, you have now for using the C3 cloth?
Sir, we have
How many days you have remaining for use the C3 cloth?
7 days, sir.
7
Correct.
days.
Yeah, it's correct. So C3 I can use any of the 7 days. Be careful, in the question it is already written that every cloth is to be used at only one day, right? You have already used C1 at one day, C2 as any of this day. So C3 you can use any of the 7 day, right? Similarly, C4 you can use any of the
6.
Similarly, C5 any of the 5, C4 any of the sorry 6, C7 any of the 3, C8 any of the 2, C9 any of the 1. So you have total number of ways 2 into 2 into 7 factorial. That means 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1.
7.
I think someone voice is breaking continuously. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a doubt in activity question 6.1.
6.1.
Sir, I have a question in graded assignment, sir.
Okay, which question?
Question number 5, sir. No, sorry, 4.
A man desires to throw a party for some of his friends. In how many ways can he select 8 friends from a group of 11 friends if the 2 of his friends, A and B, will not attend the party together? Okay, so can you tell me what was your approach?
Sir, I solved the in two cases, sir. First case, if both did not attend party,
Okay,
and second case, if one of them attend party.
okay. And you also consider the case when both of them have attended the party.
No, sir. First case, both not attend party. Then second is one of them attend party.
Okay, okay. 1 second. I will give you a simple approach. So can you tell me what was the, I mean, what are the
Sir,
numbers for in your question?
sir,
Yes, yes, yes,
sir,
yeah.
in this case, we have the bounded condition that they both cannot attend the party. So we need only two conditions, right? Like two cases. When one is I mean, all of them are attending, and when they both are not attending, right?
No, see, thing is that what is the question? In the question it is clearly mentioned that A and B will attend the party together. This is the condition.
Yeah, so sir, when all are
Suppose.
actually
Sir, in my question, not attend party together.
No, it's for everyone. I'm asking about state numbers. Okay, just tell me what is your question.
Number 11 friends, 4 friends out of 11.
4 friends out of 11, right?
Three.
Yeah.
No. So it's different for everyone. It's not same for.
Okay.
Numbers.
Yes.
Yeah, it's different for everyone. So 4 friends out of 11, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, first of all, can you tell me total number of ways in which suppose you can invite your friends without any condition? There is a condition: A and B will not attend the party together, right?
Yes, sir.
So I can see. So total number of ways, what will be the total number of ways in which both of them will attend the party?
11C4.
Yeah, 11C4 is the total number of ways in which they can attend the party, right?
Yes, sir.
So question is, A and B will not attend the party together, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So can I say total minus will attend the party together?
Sir, I was trying to say this, but my explanation was kind of weird earlier. Like this was my approach. I was trying to say that.
Yeah. So now it's clear. I can say or not?
Yes, sir. I can say.
Total number of, I mean, they will not attend the party together. That means I can say total number of ways minus cases when they will attend the party together. So what is the total number of ways in which they will attend the party together? In how many ways you can invite your friends when A and B are attending the party together? Suppose you have these are the total 11 friends, right? F1, F2, F9, and there is a friend A and there is a friend B, right? So this is the total number of ways in which you can invite your 4 friend, right? I'm asking about the total number of ways in which you can invite your friends so that A and B will attend the party together.
9C2.
9C2, correct. Because A and B all are early, is already there. I mean, they will attend the party together. It's fixed. Remaining 2, I will select from the remaining 9. So it will be 11C4 minus 9C2. It's clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Clear,
Sir,
everyone?
Sir, I want to know, my approach is wrong, sir.
Okay. So what will be the answer for this? Okay, we'll come to that answer. Let's compute the answer. It will be 11 factorial, 4 factorial, 7 factorial. Okay, what is the answer there in the portal?
Just a minute, sir. 294.
294. Okay. Now come to your approach. What was how did you start it?
First, both are not attended the party together.
Both not attended, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So both not attended the party together. So this is the we have to find.
Sir, means both.
Just
If
tell me
we invited
yourself.
4 friends, so 2 are not, means only 2 are attended, sir. I think,
no.
sir, I solved in this way. If two are not attendant, then four friends are attendant. The two means 9C4.
Okay, you are saying 9C4?
Yeah, means two are not attendants. 11 minus 2 to 9, and four friends are invited, so means 9C4.
Okay. I mean, you did only 9C4.
No, sir. And second case, one of them attendant. One of them, the 2C1 into 9C3.
9C3. Okay.
Yes,
That's
sir.
all.
It
Yes,
is
sir.
10C3 because it will be means
No, one of them not attendance, 9.
Okay. 1 second. We'll see the. So what will be this value?
9 into 8.
21168. Total, sir. Total. Hello, sir.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir. Total answer is 21168.
21168.
Yes, sir.
No, there is something wrong. See, you are selecting 4 friends out of 9.
Yes, sir.
That means what, you are not including A and B. No, see, how we can do this? Are you getting? See, one approach you can say, see, question is in how many ways both of them not attended the party together, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I'm taking a separate. That means I can say 2C1. I mean, I'm saying, let's say A attended the party. That means A 2C1 into 9C3.
Yes, sir.
Plus, this is only one attended the party, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one second. I think I'm doing some mistake here. Both are not attended party. A attended the party and B not attended the party. Okay. A second. 1 second. Okay. First of all, this thing is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
This is clear. Total minus when A and B will attend the party together. Okay. So in your approach, there will be cases like you are saying A and B. We have to find A and B not attended the together, right?
Yes.
So for this, we can say when A attended, right? Or we can say B attended, and we can consider A and B attended, right? That means we can say 2C1, 9C3 plus A and B attended is already. So it will be 9C2. So you can compute 2 into, it will be 9 into 8 into 7 divided by 3 into 2. So 2 will get cancelled out, 3 will be get, so it will be 56 into 3. Okay, just compute this value. It will be 168, right? And what will be the 9C2? 9 into 8, it will be 7 factorial, so it's 2, 4, so 36. So you will get, at 36, you will get 204, right? So is it 294, 204? Can you check? It's 294 or 204?
294, sir.
294. Okay. I think we are missing some case. doing some mistake because something we want to do the party that
This 9C3 should be
okay.
10C3
Sir,
now, sir.
9C3 into
No.
no
2C1
see
into
these things
9C3. There are 11 people totally. So 1A is attending, another 10 are there, no, sir.
no it's a 9C3 into 2C1.
No, in 2C1 you are selecting one person.
Okay, so in total we have 4 paper, right? 3 and
Okay.
4, 3 and 1.
Okay, out of 2
Okay,
you
I
are selecting
think
1, out of 9 you are selecting 3. Okay, sir.
3,
Okay.
yes. So when A attended the party, okay, I think okay, I will check this one. Okay, I think somehow it's not clicking on my mind. I will check this approach. Okay, and tell me. I mean, just remind me. Okay, I will tell you. So
Okay,
so
sir.
far this things is clear. When I think there is some case we are missing. Okay, because A and B not attend the party together. When A can attend the party together, or B can attend the party together, or A and B attend the party together, right? This
No,
can be
sir. A
cases.
and B not attend the party together, sir. In question, A and B not party
No.
attend together. This so we can say that one of them can attend, sir.
No. A and B not attending the party together. It's compulsory, right?
Not attending the party at all.
Yes. I mean, they will not attend the party together. Okay, it's a simple thing. A and B, two of our friends is there, A and B, who will not attend the party together, right? So I will subtract the case when they A and B will attend the party together. That's all. It's clear. I mean, this thing is clear or not?
Yes, sir. First approach, I'm
Yeah,
getting.
first is clear. In the second, there is some case. I think we need to think. I will think and will let you. And just try to think about this. Okay.
Yes.
There will be. I mean, there will be some cases where you have to add all the cases. You will get the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So anybody, anything else?
Sir, can we just means reject one friend out of A and B, and then we can solve by some method? Like we have
Reject one
first
of
eliminated means we have first eliminated either A or B. Then we are selecting for, then like can we do like this?
Not getting your point. What you're trying to say?
I am saying that first we will send one person, either A or B,
Okay.
to his home.
Okay.
Means we are not.
Okay.
He will not attend at all.
Mm-hmm.
And then can we do in this approach like something? What can we do?
Yeah, you can think. That is the same thing. See, you can think like A is going, B is going, whatever. But main fundamental is you have to think A and B will not attend the party together. Okay, you have to find when A and B will not attend the party together. So simple things is I can do total, right, minus when A and B will attend the party together. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's a simple thing. And if you will take the cases as manually, then you have to, I mean, there will be some cases we have to think and we have to add. That's all. Okay. Anything else? Anybody?
Sir,
Hello,
question
sir.
number 3.
Question number 3.
Sir, in this question, ask about the person can travel between any of the two stations. So, sir, station Chennai and Assam will included or excluded, sir?
No, it will be included. See, 11 train stops between Chennai and Assam, right? So
Yes.
between Chennai and Assam, there are 11 stops. Including Chennai and Assam, it will be 13.
13.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That was the
First,
only doubt.
I solved. Yes, sir. I included, but after reading questions,
Hmm.
realized between any of the two stations means I think Chennai or Assam excluded, and between means 11 stations.
See, in the question, it is clearly mentioned that there are 11 train stops between Chennai and Assam. Okay. Suppose this is Chennai and this is Assam. Okay. So between Chennai and Assam, you have 11 stops between these two stations. If you include these two, it will be 13. Total 13 train stops will be there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else? Anybody? Or
Sir, EMQ part 2.
okay, EMQ part 2. Okay. Okay. In which question you have doubt?
So question number 1.
Okay. What is your doubt?
Sir, here the bottles that are given that
Mhm.
are to be considered unique, or all of them are same.
Okay. What do you mean by unique and same? See, thing is nothing but suppose there are 5 wrap bottles with designer wrappers. Okay. There are unique 10 designer wrappers to available to wrap around the bottle. Suppose you use one designer wrappers to one bottle. Okay. And
Yes.
all the designer wrappers are unique. It says already. That means you can say all are different, you can in a way, right?
Yes, sir, I got that the designer paper wrappers are unique, but if the bottles are same, then
Suppose
we
bottles, okay, suppose
don't need
bottles
to
are same.
permit it. Na? We can only
No,
combine
why?
and get the answer.
No, how? Suppose you have 10 different color designer wrappers and you wrap all the 5 bottles, then you can find the different color bottles or not.
Yes, sir.
So things are different or not? Order matters or not?
So no, if there are 2 bottles and we have type 1 wrapping paper and type 2 wrapping paper.
No, that is not the thing. It's not about either type 1 or type 2. So I have 10 wrappers, right? Unique
Yes.
wrappers. Suppose 10 colors are I'm taking as it's let's say blue, green, yellow, red, white, or let's say black, and 6 and remaining 4 colors. Okay, let's say C1, C2, C3, C4. Okay, I have to wrap 5 bottles. Correct?
Yes.
Suppose bottle 1 I wrapped with blue color. Bottle 2 I wrapped with yellow color. Bottle 3 I wrapped with red color, and bottle 4 I wrapped with the black color, and bottle 4 by bottle 5 I wrapped with the let's say green color. Okay, so
Okay,
I
sir.
got B, you can say Y, R, black and green. Suppose I okay, in the next or I can do in the different way also. Suppose I started with the C1 color, then C2 color, then black color, then white color, then green color. So this order is same as this one or not?
They're different.
They are different. So order matters. That's all. And have you gone through the solution PDF?
Yes, sir.
We have
It is
released
it,
the solution PDF.
sir. It is so, sir. So can you go back to that page?
Okay.
Sir, here that BYR BLG, that combination, that we can also write like this. We can exchange B and Y.
B and Y. Okay, you are saying YB.
Yes, sir. And then the remaining
Okay.
are same.
Okay, okay. I think okay, you are saying when bottles are different, same, then it
Yes, sir.
you are saying it
Sir,
should
if
be
the
considered as same.
bottles are same, then those 5 factorial ways in which we would have permutated this, that would be only one way.
Okay, okay, okay. No, not one way. It's not one way. You can see you have 10 things, right? So simply you can do in tensif no tensify not for color selection it will be tensify.
Yes, sir. Tensify. Right.
For color selection.
Yes, sir. Right.
And what in and for see no simple is a simple. See, for the first bottle I can use any of the 10 color, right?
Yes, sir.
And for the second bottle I can use any of the 9 wrapper design wrapper. For the third I can use any of the 8. For the fourth I can use any of the 7. I can it's the simple things.
So can you explain with the 10C5 way?
No, 10C5 is the different. In this 10C5, what I mean to say, suppose I have 10 different colors, I have to choose 5 colors, then I have to wrap the bottles. Here I can wrap any of the 10. See, the same things you can do. One second, let me erase. 1 minute. I think I got your point. Yeah. See, suppose I have 5 bottles, right?
Yes.
So I can choose any of the 10 color or any of the 5 colors out of 10 colors.
Yes, sir.
Then I have to arrange these 5 colors to these. In how many ways you can arrange these 5
Sir, I have
colors
doubt
or
in that
design?
arrangement. So why do we need to arrange?
See, you have 5 bottles, okay, and I have to wrap the bottles with 10 unique design wrappers, right?
Yes, sir.
First thing, I can wrap the first bottle by using any of the 10, right?
Yes.
For the second bottle, I can use any of the 9 wrapper.
Yes.
For the third bottle, I can use any of the 8 wrapper.
Yes.
For say, similarly 7 and 6.
Yes.
Correct. This is the one way. Second way, you can say you can choose any of the 5 design wrapper out of the 10.
Yes, sir. We can choose.
And then in how many ways you can put those design wrappers on 5 different bottles? 5 factorial ways.
So one way, no, because all the bottles are same.
No, where it is mentioned all the bottles are same.
Sir, like in EMQ week 5 part 2, the first question it was written that 5 gifts are unique plus the wrappers are also unique. But here nothing has been mentioned.
Okay,
so EMQ part 5, week 5 EMQ.
No, you got it. You even needs to wrap 5 bottles with design wrappers. Okay, so it's if it's same, then it should be mentioned. But here you can consider as different.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. That last week it was mentioned that gifts are being wrapped and
I think
both are
okay,
unique.
got it. I think there is a mistake, but correct it.
Sir,
So
another
far
question.
it's clear. I mean, you can
It's
do like
clear.
10C5 into 5 factorial,
Yeah, I
which
got
is same as this one.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you. Sir, another
Yeah,
question.
okay. Where from EMQ?
Yes, sir. That question number 7.
Okay.
So
What
here
is the doubt?
also I have the same doubt that the means the solution PDF says that the order doesn't matter.
Okay, in IPL tournament there are teams. First round of the tournament, each team will play 2 matches. Okay, each against every other team. Top 5 teams at the end of the first round will qualify for next round. Yeah. So why order matters?
Sir, this is a tournament, no. So the teams which are arranged in the rankings,
No.
they would be arranged in the way that the team which scores more points.
No. Don't go. See, it's a simple things. We have to find the steps applicable for selecting the teams which qualifies for the next round, right?
Yes.
And what is the criteria to qualify the next round?
5.
Top 5 teams at the end of the first round. Okay.
Yes.
You have total 10 teams.
Yes.
Okay. Suppose 5 teams, top 5 teams. Okay. 5 are top 5, 5 are below, right? Something, whatever. Top 5 means suppose, I mean, there will be some criteria, I don't know. But top 5 means you can say who score more run, then suppose there are some criteria out of matches who, I mean, whatever, there can be criteria, but it's something top 5 teams. So this out of 10 teams, there can be any 5 teams who can qualify for the next round. That's all.
Yes, sir. But
it's not about inter ranking. It's about the first top 5 teams will qualify the next for the next round. So I have to just choose those top 5 teams.
Sir,
okay?
yes, but
ranking can be ranking can be within the team, not you can say in total of 5 teams.
But sir,
It's
in
the
question
same
number
thing.
8, it is using permutation to find the final answer. Means it's multiplying with 5 factorial. In
What
the
are the
solution
possible number
PDF.
of ways to get the top 5 teams that can qualify for the next round? What are the possible number of ways to get top 5 teams, okay, that can qualify for the next round? Once let me go through the solution PDF we are saying, right?
Yes, sir.
Supplementary content. That is. See, what is the option number 10? It's a combination thing. I think you just watch this one. You have to also be careful which is option same as option number
sorry.
10, right? So be careful about this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, anything else, anybody, or you want to enjoy your Diwali? So, anything else?
Very much, sir.
Anybody? It's clear for things was clear for everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aditya, you got the concept now?
Yeah, I got
We'll
it.
check on
Thank you,
that,
sir.
yeah.
I got this. I got that.
Okay, thanks everyone. Bye.
Thank you.
Happy
Happy
Diwali.
Thank you so very
Deepavali,
much,
sir.
sir. Happy
Happy
Diwali,
Diwali.
sir.
Happy Diwali for everyone.
Thank you, sir, and happy Diwali, sir.
Happy Diwali, happy Diwali. Enjoy your Diwali to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.